In this module, we are going to talk about alternative globalization projects. Global labor solidarity. It intends to fulfill counter hegemonic purposes. The alliance aims to exploit structures of transnational corporations. For example, there is a mutual support between metal workers in Brazil and Germany. It revolves around the idea of social contract and ensures the provision of basic rights. Feminist movement. Women are forced to spend most of their time in doing unproductive work. Their work is not valued. Markets offer no rewards in return for their work and care. Structural adjustment programs are gender biased. Neoliberal programs are also discourage the efforts of women. Local environmentalism. Environment issue is considered as transnational in nature. The local environmentalism gets edge over other movements, those are labor movements and feminist movements, as it does not ignore the elements of transnationalism. It highlights the contribution of powerful countries in creating climate change issues because they believe that this climate change and global warming is happening owing to the careless attitude of the rich countries that they are doing industrializations at the sake of environment. Other demands. Anti-globalists or anti-globalists prevent free flow of capital. It advocates debt cancellation of the third world. It promotes public health, education, and food security. It aims to solve problems associated with world poverty. They claim that rich countries or developed countries used to exploit the labor of the weaker nations, used to concentrate the skillful social capital of the uh, developing world, but resist against the unskillful social capital of the developing world. So that selective morality or biased attitude of the developed world, in fact, causing different kinds of difficulties. It aims to global rules for financial transactions. It also works to limit the power of the world's financial elite. They claim that supranational institutions undermine the sovereignty of nation states, which needs to be reinforced. There should be democratic control of financial markets.